Hey friends, I'm Ralph Estep Jr., and I want to personally invite you to the launch of Financially Confident Christian Live. Yes, starting on Friday, May 1st, 2026 at 1 p.m. Eastern on Clubhouse, and we're going to do it on a bunch of other live streaming platforms. We're going to launch the show. Now, this is going to be a weekly show for those believers who are ready to break that cycle of financial shame and start building real confidence with their money, but we're going to do it God's way. We're going to have an honest conversation about the financial struggles that so many of us are facing, but we don't talk about them often. Things like overwhelm and debt, inconsistency and fear, and honestly, how to trust God while making some practical money decisions. Now, this show isn't going to be about pressure. It's not going to be about perfection, and it's not going to be about pretending to have it all together. It's about faith, it's about wisdom, and it's about taking the next right step. So mark your calendar, invite a friend, and join me for the very first one, Financially Confident Christian Live. You can find out more information at financiallyconfidentchristian.com/FCC Live. Again, that's financiallyconfidentchristian.com/FCC Live. I can't wait to see you there.